Hello, everyone. We're excited that you've chosen AZCOMP Technologies to perform your program installation. We have no doubt that our team will provide you with a phenomenal experience. Now, before we connect to your install, we wanted to send a quick video to go over a couple of things that will help. Our goal is to help this install go as efficiently as possible so that we can get you back into your program as quickly as possible. Because of this, we ask that this video is watched in its entirety prior to the installation. Otherwise, we find that it can cause longer than normal downtime for you and for your office. The following lists are things that we are going to require when we connect to perform your installation. Now, if you have any questions about the following, please reach out to our install team and we'll be happy to help. It's important to note that if any of the following are not met, the installation will need to be rescheduled. The most common issue that we run into when we do an install is that we don't have admin access to each computer. An admin account gives us the access we need to install new programs on that computer. So without admin access, we won't have the ability to perform the installation, which is why we are going to require that we have admin access. Another important one is that all users will need to be out of the program and off the computer in order for us to perform the install. So if you have any work that you are doing during the day, be sure to save that work before we give you a call. You will need to be out during the entire install, but don't worry, we will make sure that we work as quickly as possible so that you can get back into your computer. The final thing that we would like to point out is that in order for us to perform the upgrade, we will need to connect to each computer. So the website that we will use to get access to your computer will be help.azcomp.com. So be sure that each computer has the ability to go to this website so that on the day of your install, we can easily connect our technician. Again, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.